Hello everyone, my name is Don Garman, founder and chief investment officer of Mirador Capital Partners, a full-service wealth management firm headquartered here in the Tri-Valley. We've been here since 2013, but we've been in the wealth management business for almost 30 years. And I'll tell you a little bit about our firm and what makes us a little bit different from other firms, and also a little bit about a report that we just published this week called the Mirador View, 2020 Perspectives on the Tri-Valley, Charting a Path Forward, and a little bit about why we think this might be of interest to some of you. So a little bit about our firm is we are an investment management shop that believes that actually being very specific about the type of risk that we take, actually owning companies rather than just broad indexes, will be a big advantage in the coming years. Right? We've come through a very traumatic period in the economy and in the markets, and it seems increasingly clear that knowing what you own and having a point of view on how the world might change coming out of this pandemic period is going to be, I think, a big key to success, and I think it will help eliminate some of the many things that it's probably not going to be great to own for some time to come. But when we formed Mirador in 2013, it was around the idea that the Tri-Valley specifically was going to have a couple of decade secular tailwind with regard to the type of companies that it attracts, the type of innovation that is occurring here, the type of companies that are coming here, and it has to do with the proximity to the labs, the high level of education of the workforce here, and still our sort of hometown feel and the emphasis on work-life balance that many of us in the Tri-Valley hold dear. So over the coming weeks, I hope to introduce this in a little bit more detail and give you a little bit about our roadmap and how we're helping our clients get through these challenging times. If you have any interest in receiving a copy of this report, simply send us an email or go to the website and you can download it right from there. It has a lot of the public equity research that we do, and also some of the non-public companies and some of the innovation that's happening in the companies that maybe someday might be public companies but aren't quite there yet. So with that, we look forward to any questions you might have if you have them, and we're going to be coming on and doing a little bit of fundamental market synopsis at the end of the week to kind of sort of talk about what happened and then look into the roadmap of the weeks ahead. So that's something to look forward to. Hopefully it's something our clients and some prospects have come to enjoy, and we hope you do as well. So until next time, thank you for everything, and we will talk to you soon.